Grandma's legendary Texas sheet cake. Hey there, fellow baking enthusiasts. Let's dive into the world of chocolatey goodness and whip up a classic that will have everyone begging for seconds, Grandma's Texas sheet cake. This iconic dessert is the epitome of Southern comfort, perfect for sharing with a crowd or indulging all by yourself, no judgment here. What makes Texas sheet cake stand out? Well, for starters, it's incredibly easy to make. No fancy techniques or equipment required. Plus, its signature thin, fudgy layer topped with a warm, gooey chocolate frosting is simply irresistible. Get ready to experience pure chocolate bliss with this crowd-pleasing recipe. Ingredients for the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, 1 cup water, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, ½ cup buttermilk, or substitute with ½ cup regular milk plus 1 teaspoon vinegar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Ingredients for the frosting: ½ cup, 1 stick, unsalted butter, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 6 tablespoons milk, 1 box, 16 ounces, powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup chopped pecans, optional. Let's get baking. Preheat and prep. Start by firing up your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a large baking sheet, around 10 by 15 inches. Dry mix. Whisk together your flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt in a big bowl. Let's get those dry ingredients mingling. Chocolatey magic. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine butter, water, and cocoa powder. Keep stirring until the butter is melted and the mixture reaches a boil. Time to remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Combine the goodness. Pour the warm chocolate mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Then, introduce the buttermilk, eggs, and vanilla extract into the batter. Give it a good mix until everything is perfectly blended. Bake time. Spread the batter evenly onto your prepared baking sheet. Pop it in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Frosting frenzy. While the cake is baking, prepare the irresistible frosting. In a saucepan, combine butter, cocoa powder, and milk. Bring to a boil, stirring constantly. Remove from heat, then stir in the powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and chopped pecans, if using, until you achieve that glorious, spreadable consistency. Frosting fiesta. As soon as the cake comes out of the oven, spread the warm frosting over the top. The warmth will make the frosting melt slightly, creating the ultimate fudgy experience. Let the cake cool completely before diving in. Grandma's tips. For an even richer flavor, use dark cocoa powder. Don't overbake. Texas sheet cake is meant to be fudgy, not dry. Go nuts. Experiment with your favorite nuts in the frosting, or leave them out for a classic flavor. This Texas sheet cake recipe will easily feed a crowd of 12 to 16 people. You'll have enough for seconds, or maybe even leftovers, if you're lucky. It's a dessert that brings warmth, comfort, and the undeniable joy of sharing homemade treats with those you love. I hope this recipe inspires you to create a piece of chocolate heaven in your own kitchen. Remember, baking is an adventure, so have fun with it. If you love this recipe, be sure to subscribe to our channel for even more delicious baking tips and tricks. Until next time, happy baking!